Good morning. I'm Massimo Gregori, founder of Buy at Work. For over 20 years, I've been working in cybersecurity, document management, and digital transformation. In recent years, artificial intelligence has changed the way millions of people work. But many companies cannot entrust their data to external services and need a solution that guarantees control, security, and confidentiality. E17 NEXUS was born out of this need, a private artificial intelligence platform that brings the full power of AI directly within the company. E17 NEXUS analyzes documents, answers questions in natural language, and operates entirely within your infrastructure. This way, your data and knowledge always remain under your control. But why would a company need a platform like this? For one very simple reason. The information already exists and is stored in contracts, manuals, procedures, technical documentation, and archives. The real challenge isn't creating new knowledge, but being able to quickly access the knowledge the company already possesses. This is exactly where time, productivity, and opportunities are lost. All it takes is a question in natural language to interact with your company's document repository. E17 identifies relevant information and generates precise answers, always accompanied by the original sources, so you can verify them at any time. And everything happens within your infrastructure, without any documents or data leaving the company. Behind every answer lies a simple yet extremely effective process. Documents are analyzed, organized, and transformed into a knowledge base, ready to be queried. When you perform a search, artificial intelligence identifies the most relevant information, processes it, and generates an answer accompanied by the original sources. To achieve effective results, it's essential to work in the right environment. With the operational compass, choose the most suitable work environment: AI assistant, web search, company library, or user desktop. This way, E17 uses the information most relevant to the task you're performing, improving the quality of responses and keeping different work contexts clearly separated. E17 brings together all the tools needed to work with artificial intelligence in a single environment. You can search company documentation, perform semantic searches, translate documents, transcribe audio recordings, extract text from images, generate meeting minutes, create summaries, and support the creation of new content. Various features integrated into a single platform designed to simplify daily work and enhance the company's knowledge base. With E17, you can get to work right away. As soon as you connect a folder or archive, you can view documents, perform searches, translate content, and analyze the available information. Meanwhile, semantic indexing continues in the background. Once complete, your entire document repository becomes searchable using natural language. It's not always necessary to consult the company's entire document repository. With folders, you can create thematic collections dedicated to a client, a project, or a specific task, selecting documents even from different archives. When you work within a folder, artificial intelligence focuses its analysis on that context, making the responses more relevant and consistent with the work you're doing. Every professional has their own way of working. That's why E17 Nexus changes not only the language of AI, but also its approach. With over 20 professional roles, the assistant adopts the perspective of an executive, a lawyer, a marketing manager, and many other professionals, offering analyses and reasoning consistent with the operational context. In addition, more than 50 quick actions handle the most common requests with a single click: summaries, translations, emails, deadline tracking, compliance checks, and much more. Artificial intelligence doesn't just provide answers, it helps you keep working. When you open a document, it automatically generates an initial analysis and suggests the first useful questions to explore the content further. After each answer, it offers context aware actions and smart suggestions, allowing you to create summaries, emails, checklists, or develop new insights with a single click, a natural way to turn an answer into a concrete action. With the notebook, your conversation turns into a working document. You can write alongside the AI, evaluate each suggestion before implementing it, and build the content step by step. Every change is saved as a new version, allowing you to track the document's evolution and retrieve previous revisions when needed. Every company has a unique body of knowledge. E17 adapts to your content, regardless of your industry or area of application. Wherever there are documents to consult and information to leverage, artificial intelligence can transform them into easily accessible knowledge. Knowledge is one of a company's most important assets. That's why E17 Nexus is installed directly on your infrastructure and processes documents without relying on cloud services. This allows you to maintain control over your information assets, security, and the entire operating environment. The result is a new way of working with corporate knowledge. Less time spent searching for information, better utilization of the document repository, and easier access to content for authorized users. All of this translates into more efficient processes, faster decision-making, and better sharing of know-how within the organization. Choosing an artificial intelligence platform means making a decision that will shape your company for many years to come. That's why we've designed a solution that combines security, control, flexibility, and integration with your existing document infrastructure without changing the way people work. An investment designed to grow alongside your organization and enhance its knowledge over time. The platform is installed directly on your infrastructure and leverages the hardware acceleration of graphics cards to run artificial intelligence models locally. The infrastructure is scaled based on the number of users, the volume of documentation, and the required performance, ensuring the most suitable configuration for every business. From a single workstation to dedicated servers, the solution scales along with your organization's needs. With E17 Nexus, you're investing in a platform that becomes part of your company's assets. The license is perpetual. The first year of maintenance is included. Starting in the second year, renewal is optional. Even without renewal, E17 Nexus continues to function, a transparent model with predictable costs that are independent of the use of the platform. The best way to discover the platform's potential is to see it in action. Request a personalized demo and find out how E17 Nexus can transform your organization's document assets into immediately accessible knowledge. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. See you soon.